It's 3:07 in the morning. The house is completely quiet. The lights are off. The streets outside are empty. And somehow, I'm the only one awake. I can hear the gentle sound of the pump, the soft breathing of my little one, and the ticking of the clock that seems louder than ever. Sometimes I look around the room and think, how can I feel so lonely when my whole family is just a few steps away? They're here. They're sleeping. They're not doing anything wrong. But in this moment, it feels like this part of the journey belongs only to me. No one sees the alarms that pull me out of bed. No one feels the exhaustion hidden behind my smile the next morning. No one hears the quiet conversations I have with myself when I wonder if I'm doing enough. There are nights when I wish someone would simply sit beside me. Not to fix anything, not to give advice. Just to remind me that I'm not alone. But over time, I've realized something. Even in the quietest hours, I'm not the only mother awake. Somewhere, in another home, another mom is rubbing her tired eyes. Another mom is washing bottles. Another mom is wondering if she'll ever sleep through the night again. We may never meet. We may never know each other's names. But we're connected by these silent moments that so few people ever see. So if you're awake right now, listening to this while the rest of the world is asleep, I hope you know this. Your love is showing up in the quiet. Your strength is growing in the dark. And although this room may feel empty, you are never truly alone. Because somewhere, another mother is awake too. And she's hoping someone understands exactly how she feels. Maybe tonight, that someone is you, and maybe that someone is me.
Gonna be very helpful to you. Bye!